Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn reported speech. That is the basic rules for converting from direct speech to indirect speech. So before that, let's see what are the two types of speeches, that is direct speech and indirect speech or reported speech. What is meant by direct speech? Direct speech means the actual words of the speaker. When we quote the actual words without making any change, that is direct speech. So in direct speech, you can see the actual words of the speaker in inverted commas. Then what is indirect or reported speech? When we report what is said by the speaker, that is indirect or reported speech. So when we report it, we will not be using the exact words or actual words of the speaker, but meaning should not be changed. Here you can see how it is changed from direct to indirect. In indirect speech, it is, he said that he cried out when he saw the thief. So that's the difference between two types of speeches, that is direct and indirect. So now first rule, that is what are the changes in the tenses when we change from direct to indirect speech. What are the changes in the tenses? So if in the direct speech, if it is in simple present tense, it will be changed to simple past tense in indirect or reported speech. And the present continuous will be changed to past continuous. Present perfect changed to past perfect. And simple past tense, that also will be changed to past perfect tense. Past continuous tense, it will be changed to past perfect continuous tense. And past perfect tense, there will be no change for the tense. And simple future, that is will or shall, it will be changed to would or should. This is rule number 1. You have to remember while changing from direct to indirect speech. What are the changes in the tenses? So now let's see what is a reporting verb. So here in this example, the girl says, I may not sing today. In this example, the verb says is the reporting verb. Says. It is in simple present tense. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech will not change. That is, the changes mentioned earlier will not be applicable if the reporting verb is in present or future tense. For example, here he says, I am quite well. Here the reporting verb is says. It is in simple present tense. So there will be no change of the tense when you change from direct to indirect speech. So in indirect or reported speech, it will be he says that he is quite well. Here am and is both are in simple present tense. Here the tense am the verb, it is did not change to simple past tense. Why? Because the reporting verb is in simple present tense, says. Now see the other example. He said, I am quite well. Here the reporting verb is said. It is past tense. So in indirect or reported speech, it will be he said that he was quite well. Here simple present tense changed to simple past tense. Now let's see another important point that you have to remember while changing from direct to indirect speech. That is words expressing nearness in time and place. It will be changed to words expressing distance. Now you can see a table here. If the word today is used in direct speech, it will be changed to that day. And tomorrow it will be changed to the next day. Yesterday it will be changed to either the previous day or the day before. Now it will be changed to then in indirect speech. Here, there, ago, before, last night, the previous night. This, that. So these are some important points that you have to remember or you have to learn for changing from direct to indirect speech. Change of persons. So now let's see how first person, second person and third person pronouns will change when you convert direct speech to indirect speech. So first person pronouns. It will change according to the subject of the reporting verb. So here in this example, you can see he says, I am going to Delhi. So here the reporting verb is says. And what's the subject of says? That is he. Then how it will come in indirect speech? It will be he says that he is going to Delhi. Means first person pronoun I, it changed to he. Why? Because he is the subject of the reporting verb. So if in the place of he it is Sita. Sita says I am going to Delhi. Then how you will convert it? Sita says I am going to Delhi. So says is the reporting verb and subject of the reporting verb is Sita. Then it will be Sita says that yes, she is going to Delhi. Now, how the second person pronouns will change? Let's see. It will change according to the noun or pronoun coming after the reporting verb. So, for example, you can see here, I said to Mohan, you will have to read. So, what is the noun that comes after the reporting verb? Here the reporting verb is said. And what's the noun comes after the reporting verb? That is Mohan. So according to that, the second person pronoun you will change. I said to Mohan that he would have to read. You, second person pronoun you, change to he. Why? Because the noun that comes after the reporting verb is Mohan. And if in the place of Mohan, if it is Rani, then how you will change? I said to Rani, you will have to read. Then the answer will be, I said to Rani that she would have to read. That will be the change. Now, third person pronouns. Third person pronouns of the direct speech remain unchanged when converted into indirect speech. See the example here. Rita said to me, he will be defeated. So in indirect speech it will be Rita said to me that he would be defeated. There is no change for the third person pronoun he. It is same only. In the indirect speech also there is no change for the third person pronoun. These are some basic rules for the conversion of direct speech into indirect speech. So while watching this video, whenever you need it, you have to make a pause and write it down. And in the next video, we can see how the 4 types of sentences, that is assertive sentences, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences, how it will be changed from direct speech to indirect speech.